Did you know clutter can cause stress in your life? In this video, you learn few simple steps to declutter and why it's important to take care of it sometime soon. Hi, welcome back to this channel. My name is Carrina Lau. So with everything that's going on around us, it is more important than ever we need to take charge to have a healthy body and healthy mind, and let our environment impact the way we think and feel. Now, for the past few years, we spend much more time inside in our own home. So have you ever thought about having clutter in our environment can contribute a significant amount of stress in your life? Now, here's why. Clutter prevents us from feeling relaxed, physically and mentally. It can make us feel anxious because we simply don't know how and when we're going to get to the bottom of the pile. And when we have clutter, it's hard to locate things. When we can't find anything, it could be stressful. And when we have clutter, it signals our brain that our job is not done. For example, when I leave the dishes in the sink and I walk away even though I don't see it, there's a voice over here keep telling me, you gotta do the dishes, it's not done yet. However, having clutter could be a huge task to tackle. However, decluttering could be very simple. Here are a few simple steps to declutter. Tip 1 is to decide and declare when you're going to declutter, better yet to tell a friend. For example, if I tell my friend Jerry, hey Jerry, I'm going to declutter this weekend, and if I don't, I'm going to buy you a nice dinner. So not only will I declare and decide when I'm going to declutter, now I'm held to account for my friend. If I don't, I have to buy her a dinner. Tip 2 is only buy things if we have the space for it. So before COVID, I used to buy a lot of shoes because I love shoes. But my shoe closet was already full. But I kept piling it up, and pretty soon, it's a clutter. And tip 3, put things back where they belong. The reason why we have clutter because we accumulate. But if we put things every time where they belong, there will never be any clutter. So if you have any clutter, let's declutter because our environment impacts the way we think and feel. I hope you enjoyed this videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.